So I don't have time for this. What's going on, killers? Got a little surprise today. I knew I said that the next thing I was going to do to the F150 was the altitude adjustment, but I got a good score today. Some takeoffs. Got some dubs. I'm excited. Pick these up for nothing, man. Now I don't really have a lot of time. I'm gonna go ahead and try to zap these on real quick. So I'll holler back at you. And just like that, there you have it. Looks like a completely different truck. Y'all, I'm so happy right now. It's like a completely different vehicle. I'm gonna slap the rest of them on. I just wanted to see what y'all see if y'all like it, see what they look like. The leveler kit is on its way. I also ordered some other stuff, and just real quick installs. The leveling kit will probably be a little bit of work, but everything else not that big of a deal. We definitely got some improvements coming, so stay tuned. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. If not, give us a thumbs down. Leave us a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next video.